Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today I'm gonna share some of the drawings from my subscribers. So this is the second video of our new series and I have some really great drawings again to share with you guys, and do stick till the end of the video for some constructive criticism, and also I'll share my top 3 favorite drawings from this video. So without any further ado, here we go. were the drawings from my subscribers. First of all, let me tell you, you guys have done some really great drawings, and I always enjoy and love to watch your drawings, especially when they are drawings of my drawings, because I get to see your version of the same drawing which I drew earlier. And the fact that you guys have attempted to draw some of my drawings, which makes me really happy every time. So keep up the good work and keep drawing. Alright, let's get to our constructive criticism. I have picked up two random drawings again from the video, and I'm gonna give some tips which might help you to improve your drawing. So our first drawing is this one. It is a drawing of Itachi. First of all, I really like the coloring of this drawing. It's quite neat and it looks pretty good. So keep it up on that and keep coloring your drawings like this, and you will improve more and more by time. And when I see this drawing, I could see a small mistake which is really common. A lot of people do it, and that's why I wanted to point that out here, and I'll tell you how to deal with it. So as we can see, his left eye is not in its correct place. It is quite lower than where it needs to be, which you can clearly see, and this mistake is related to proportion and placement. This is where most of the people do mistakes in placement of body parts and their right proportion. So I'll give two tips for this. First, always try to draw with a very light hand, especially when you are putting the first layer, first base of sketching, so that you can erase it easily afterwards, even if you do something wrong or you do any mistakes, and you can easily change the placement or proportion of any body part. And second tip is never hesitate to draw a certain part again and again till you get the right desired result. We have a very awesome thing called eraser. It is meant for it to erase your mistakes till you get the desired result. It happens with me too. Sometimes I get stuck somewhere and I don't get the desired result in my first attempt. So I erase it and draw it again till I get the desired result. So these were a few tips which I felt I should share. And I hope it helps. Moving on to our next drawing, and this drawing is of Izuku, as you can see, and it is one of my very recent drawing. So in this drawing I wanted to give some tips regarding the coloring. So again, it's a very common mistake which a lot of people do, especially the beginners who are not used to coloring with alcohol markers. Even I did the same mistake when I started using alcohol markers for the first time. So as we can clearly see, in coloring there are a lot of strips or strokes, because of which the coloring is not very smooth and neat. So I would like to give two tips here again to overcome this. First, the paper you use for coloring, especially when you are using alcohol markers, is very important, because if the paper is wrong and it is not suitable for coloring with alcohol markers, you won't get the desired result, and you won't get that smooth and neat texture with your markers. No matter how hard you try, you won't be able to blend your colors. The paper won't be able to take your ink. And in the beginning, even I started with a bad quality paper which was not really suitable for alcohol markers. But now I know which paper works really good with these markers and which can absorb their ink, and you can do some really good blending quite easily. So I would recommend you the paper which I am using currently. It is from Strathmore, and the name of the sketchbook is Bristol Smooth from Strathmore Company. You can easily get it online or in your nearest art store. It is of A3 size paper. And there is one more very good paper for these markers, that is called blending cards from Express It, but they usually are in A4 size. So if you are okay with A4 size, you can also use blending cards from Express It. And my second tip is to avoid these strokes while you're coloring. Try to give at least 2 to 3 layers of color. It will take more ink, yes, but it will give more smoothness to your coloring, and it would look much better. You can even put more layers of color until you get the desired result, but at least try to give 2 or 3 layers of ink. If you do, you won't probably get these strips, these strokes which make your coloring look not neat and not smooth. So these were some tips for today, and that ends our constructive criticism. I hope these help you to improve your drawing. And now it's time to share my top 3 favorite drawings from this video, and they are these 3 drawings. These are some really great drawings. I would like to say keep it up and do not stop drawing. Also do share your favorite drawing in this video in comment section down below. But everyone has done a great job. You guys have drawn some really great drawings. I enjoyed watching them, each one of them. So I would like to say keep drawing, draw as frequently as possible, and most importantly, enjoy each one of your drawing. And I'm looking forward for more awesome drawings from you guys for the next video of drawings from my subscribers series, which will be out next month. So you have plenty of time to draw more drawings, and if ever I miss any drawing in this video, I will try my best to include your drawings in my next video. And I guess some people are still confused, so I want to clear this again. It has to be one of my drawings from my channel. It can be any drawing. There are a lot of drawings, and share your drawings through email only at aayushpencilart@gmail.com. Only then I can share your drawings in my videos. Don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more drawing videos, Q&As, tutorials and more. Also ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And do share this video with your friends so that more and more people get to know about this series, and we can have more drawings to share. You can also follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Aayush Pencilart to get my latest drawing updates. I'll be also sharing their links down below, so go check them out. And that is all for today guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.